Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on photo tags on your Twitter app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Twitter app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app. Then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down, you click here on settings and support. Then you click here on settings and privacy. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just go down here. Then you click here on notifications, and you come to notifications window here. You just click here on privacy here. Then it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just click here on push notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this window. Then you just come here to photo tags. You will click here on this sign here, and like you see this color show for us, that's my photo tags, it's on now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.